I've been doing a little random walk around town, and I found this cool Krishna temple, which is this old brick building with a tree growing around it. It's pretty amazing. I've never heard of this before, never seen any pictures of it, but I was just doing a little random walk and discovered, well, I didn't discover it, but just ran into it while I was walking around. It's pretty beautiful. Let's take a look here. Okay. So you can see the roots growing all through the brick. Beautiful little temple. I tried getting a proper picture of this thing, but I just can't do it. It's just so massive. And then it's mixed in here with all these buildings and wires and power boxes and everything. So that's it, everybody, for the random Krishna temple that I found. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.